Alright, good morning everybody. It's Saturday, March 30th. It's been a while since I've worked on a Saturday. And you know what, hang on, before I check those. Ah, boy, excuse me. Alright. So I want to push that knight away and then play a pawn to g5 to get that bishop off my knight since it's currently pinned to my queen. But there's plenty of defenders on that knight at e5. Alright, so I want my opponent to take that pawn. Rook takes d4, then I would play rook takes d4. And then if they play rook takes d4, I play knight to c2 check, forking the king and the rook. That would that would end up at the d4 square. Excuse me. Hang on, I gotta cough something up. That's a little better. Oh man.
Morning. Working today?
Yeah.
I don't know. I didn't know you guys were here Saturdays?
Sometimes. Are you guys always here on Saturdays? Just the office staff? Or
Usually not the office staff.
I'll do a couple more on this, even though I have over 24 hours. That could be a problem. Two ways I can go about that. I can do this, or I can even do this. Oh, wait a second. He's also attacking my my rook. Yeah, so then I do have to do this. Alright. That's better anyway, because it pressures the queen. Alright, I'm going to have to get out of there, because he has a mate in 1, checkmate at queen to h1. If I don't move my king. No, in this situation, this would be the better rook. But that does drop a pawn at a7. Well, I don't have to move the rook yet. Alright. Do this. Gosh. Should title this episode Coffee Madness. I think I will. Alright, this is bad. He's got a checkmate in 1, and I think I can't stop him. Well, I can stop it. I have to do this. Alright, yeah. Got about 10 more minutes. I think I'm going to clock in at 9. See, now that I kind of understand trying it against the Sicilian, but it's still, it's just wasting tempo, in my opinion. Alright. It's not too bad. Kind of thought that's how it was going to happen. Oh, Jesus Christ. I wonder if I still have time. Looks like I would. Yeah, so I lucked out. I should have pushed the pawn first. Oh, well, he wouldn't have been able to. That's right. Okay. So yeah, it looks like that still works out. I think. Let's see. Yeah, so I would have to come here. I could do something like that. Yeah, I guess I gotta go with it. I think I still blew it, though. Well, this is interesting. So, let's say... Let's say he does... I just gotta do like a... Let's say he does that, right? So we have this little sacrifice here. This is a mistake, because it wins... It would win, the rook. And he'd want to... Well, he couldn't do that, because of his take. Oh boy, alright. It looks like he's planning on sacrificing either a knight or a bishop. So I'm going to want to do this. Bring another defender on that pawn. He missed a really good sacrifice. So let's say I do this, right? Instead of that knight move, you could have done this. If I capture back, he has a fork on my queen and rook. Oh, nice. That's what I like to see. That's what I like to see. Woohoo! I love this attack. Rated 1900. That's pretty cool. Should help my rating. It's been bouncing up and down for the last few games. So, you know, that is if I win that game, but fairly confident. Let's see, what if it goes down like this? Now, we can still do that same kind of little sacrifice, except now it would look like this. Actually, no, we can't, can we? Because now the knight's got... Yeah, the knight has that square covered. I would hope it would go down like this. Then I could do it. Well, this could get me in trouble, to be honest. Because now my queen is trapped. So I'll think about it. I don't think I might go for that little trick there. Alright, looks like it's about time for me to clock in. Yep, it is. Alright. catch you guys on a break.